Hi guys, welcome back to Afternoons with Anthropology. My name's Blair and I'm a brand stylist based in Edmonton, Alberta. Today's topic is the spring closet refresh, where I'll be sharing some quick tips on how to edit, rotate, and organize your closet. Let's get started. Whenever I'm refreshing a closet, it can seem like a lot at first, but it's actually really satisfying. The end result never disappoints. There is nothing like walking into a clutter-free closet. It's time to rotate seasons. I'll start by removing any of the heavy winter styles. And since spring hasn't quite arrived here, I'll hang on to the transitional pieces while adding spring styles. During the edit phase, I also like to take note of any pieces my closet might be missing. That way I can be on the lookout. As for the discards, there are plenty of great homes for them, whether donations, consignment, or clothing swaps. I really love the last step, which is organize. I like to arrange my closet, sorting by type of garment, and then arranging by color. Also, bins and baskets are a fantastic way to minimize clutter for smaller items like accessories. Today, I've used mine for scarves, belts, and clutches. If you want a Pinterest-worthy closet, opt for coordinating hangers that will visually streamline everything. And voila! And that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for tuning in to Afternoons with Anthropology. We'll see you next time.